If you're anything like me, you might be in the post-holiday slump. You've seen family, you've done your traveling, and now you're settling in for a long winter's nap with a belly plump full of grandma's Christmas cookies. After all, the peanut butter blossom is basically the best thing to ever grace this world, like ever. But along with that Christmas 15 weight gain, you may also find yourself with a little spare change in your pocket after the holidays, be that from your uncle's cheesy Christmas card or from Uncle Sam. I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets. You can find me at dusty.co on Instagram, and today we're going to be going over our top 5 wheel and tire packages to pick up right now for under 2,000 bucks. Let's get it. Before we do that though, if you need wheels, tires, a lift kit, or even some rad accessories like bumpers and lighting products, you can find all of that at customoffsets.com. Also, as a reminder, all wheel and tire packages include free mounting, balancing, and shipping right to your door, meaning that all you got to do is jack your truck up, rattle off the stock wheels, and then mount up your new wheel and tire package. It's like slapping the easy button from Staples, except for wheels and tires. One more spoiler alert and disclaimer here, all the packages we're going to talk about today are almost all 20 by 10s or smaller, and they're running a pretty conservative tire size. Now, we did this for 2 reasons. 1, not everyone has a massive lift on their truck, and 2, we wanted to keep some sort of consistency on this list. There are a ton of wheel options available, so for best results, we do recommend heading to customoffsets.com, entering your year, make, and model, and viewing all of the packages available for your truck. Also, be sure to stick around until the end, as we do have a bonus package that is sure to raise some eyebrows. Now let's get into the list. Up first is a solid wheel and tire package, the Anthem Equalizer, paired with a Toyo Open Country AT3. The Equalizer has been around for a long time and been a heavy hitter for the Anthem fam, and for good reason. This wheel features a 7-spoke, split-spoke design with some tasteful milling on the inner edges. Plus, the spokes actually dive back a bit as they approach the barrel of the wheel, meaning that even in a 20 by 10, this wheel does have a bit of a lip to it, if that's what you're into. Paired up to this legend of a wheel is none other than the Toyo Open Country AT3. Specifically here, we're talking a 265/50 R20. The Open Country AT3 is a tire that we've been talking about a ton lately, and it's no surprise as to why. Offering an offset S-shaped tread pattern and siping to provide traction in all weather conditions, this package is sure to be a great setup for pretty much any build. Best of all, this one comes in right under our budget at 1,996 bucks out the door and shipped right to you. Up next, in the number 4 spot on this list, is one of my absolute personal favorite wheels on the market today, the Vision Rocker. The Rocker is a multi-spoke, flat-faced wheel with an endless lip, meaning that it appears to have a bigger lip than it really does. Coming in this package in a 20 by 10 -25 offset, it's paired with one of the hottest tires of 2020, the Venom Power Terra Hunter XT. Now, the Terra Hunter XT in this package is a 275/55 R20, and this wheel and tire combo is a solid bang for the buck option. This, coupled with the finish options of the Rocker, like that bangin' gray that they've got, makes this a great buy for anyone looking for a more dollar-conscious package, coming in at just 1,650 bucks. Still with me? Awesome. Like I said, stay tuned. We've got a bonus for you at the end, and it's going to be a head turner. Coming in right in the middle of this list is another wheel from the Anthem guys, the Anthem Avenger. Now, the Avenger was a new wheel in 2020, and if you're looking for more of an off-road style wheel and tire package, then this is the one on the list for you. In this package, the Avenger comes in a 17 by 9, making it the smallest wheel that we're going to feature today. But again, we're catering this for that off-road look here, so that only makes sense. Paired with the Avenger is a solid granddaddy of a mud tire, none other than the Federal Couragia MT, this time in a 285/70 R17. The Couragia features a massive tread block, huge void in the center tread, and is just downright ready to party on or off the pavement. If you're looking for an off-road themed wheel and tire package, this is the one for you. Best of all, this package shipped right to your door, just over 1,600 bucks. Money. Runner up on this list is another fantastic black and milled wheel, the Moto Metal Mo 962. This wheel's been around for quite some time. You've seen it on our top lists of the year for the last couple years, and it just keeps coming back. Featuring a blocky, straight 8-spoke design and a tasteful amount of milling on the inside edges, this wheel looks great on a variety of trucks. Coming in this package at an 18 by 10 -24, it's paired with the one and only heavy hitter Nitto Ridge Grappler, this time in a 275/65 R18. This tire's been a hot seller for quite some time now, and the guys that are running them are absolutely loving them. Solid, dependable, and affordable, this package comes in at $1,824, making it a great choice if you're looking for a tire that'll go the distance and a wheel that looks great to boot. Doubling down on the Moto Metal trend and coming in the last spot on this list is none other than the Moto Metal Mo 970. Again, another solid choice when it comes to Moto Metal wheels. This time we're talking a 20x10 minus 24. The Mo 970 features a more narrow 8-spoke design than its brother, the Mo 962, and is actually the wheel that Junior and I disagreed on in the top 15 list for 21, as he thought the 962 was a better looking wheel, but newsflash, he's wrong. Paired with this iconic wheel is none other than the Atturo Trailblade XT. The flagship hybrid for Atturo, the Trailblade XT comes in this package in a 275/55 R20, meaning that it's a modest size for quite a variety of builds. Best of all, this one comes in right in the middle of our pricing spread today at a modest $1,800. All right, so we have our top 5 picks, but I told you that there was gonna be a bonus round, so here it is. Bonus number 6. While technically it is a bit over our budget at $2,250, we couldn't not talk about this iconic duo. Slaying it in the number 6 spot is the iconic Archon Lincoln. Featured here in a 20x10 minus 25 and paired with the Ridge Grappler, this wheel and tire combo fits almost any build, looks fantastic, and gets you a directional set of show wheels with great tires shipped to your door under $2,300. Well, there you have it, guys. There's our top 5 or 6 wheel and tire packages for under $2,000, which conveniently enough can all be found already paired together on the website under the one-click wheel and tire package section. Just head onto the homepage, enter your year, make, and model, and then click that search by package button. Are you running any of these setups? Let us know down in the comment section below, and also make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you can keep up with all the truck content you've come to love from us. Peace!